Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study about honesty is the best policy. Once there lived a poor woodcutter. He used to cut trees in a jungle. One day he was cutting wood on bank of river. Suddenly his axe fell down into the river. The river was deep. He could not take his axe out. He sat on the bank and began to weep. Mercury, the angel of water, appeared. He asked the reason of his weeping. The woodcutter told the whole story. Mercury dived into water and brought a golden axe. The woodcutter refused to take it. Mercury dived again and brought a silver axe. The woodcutter did not take it either. Then he brought an iron axe. The woodcutter took it gladly. Mercury was much pleased. He rewarded the woodcutter with the other two axes. Moral: honesty is the best policy. I hope so you will like my video, so share my video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.